Digital copywriting encompasses everything from website content to the opening line of an email. Content types in digital writing. The purpose of information, whether it's long or short, is to convey a message. Effective communication means that the information has been absorbed and understood. To achieve success, content should meet several key criteria. It should be well-structured short copy. In the online realm, creators often have limited space and time to convey a message and prompt action. This constraint holds true for various digital marketing areas, including banners, search ads, and more. In this context, the CTA stands out as the most critical piece of concise copy. CTA. A call to action is a short, comprehensive order that informs the reader precisely what they must do. This comprises using active verbs in your content and organizing links to be specific guidelines. Titles. Titles and subject lines, while often considered part of long copy, are significant enough to merit separate attention as short copy elements. They have a crucial role in determining whether readers should engage further with your content, acting as the gateway to your material. Online articles. Online article distribution involves creating content that doesn't directly promote your company. These articles are not press releases. Instead, they aim to provide visitors with valuable information and high-quality material on a topic that's indirectly related to your service or industry. Email. Email is a widely used medium in various internet marketing strategies, with content playing a crucial role. The content within an email is what users engage with, and emails are an excellent medium for communication and building relationships with your customers. Digital copywriting, spanning website content and emails, upholds traditional writing principles and aims for effective communication. For more insights and strategies, don't forget to visit our website.